Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV news. Then kuba uZitobile and Uthami, right? Okay, Zitobile and Thami, for me personally, I like them. However, I don't think they are going to survive as a couple. Number one, based on the distance story, I moan. But yeah, I like the Thami that we are seeing now. Uthami, hi guys, he has pulled up his socks. He's somebody that understands Ukuthi he is married to an overly sensitive person. Like, I think Ukuthi guy uyayibamba lento, ne? But now, what they said that I was like, is that they are going to continue being married and live in different places. And uZitobile will come to Uthami ngama weekend. I think what is going to make them fight eventually because uZitobile uzothi wena awulethi effort awuzigimi ngama weekend. But ke Uthami did this romantic type of situation where Ugai had presented things and rose petals on the floor when a shampoo, like that romantic setup that Ugirl has been longing for, and Ugirl was happy. But over and above, Uthami honored the chocolate gift. Yo, like that made me so happy. I was like, Team Thami. Thami is my fighter. Thami is my man again. Guys, angisamdivorcanga uThami. Sesiyachubeka noUthami. Uthami umuntu wethu. Because why? He listened and he took action. He just did not acknowledge ukuthi okay, this is what she wants, but did not take any action. So at this point, I feel ukuthi uZitobile is going to be a happy wife. However, I think also Uthami, he is low-key manipulative. Listen to me, hear me out before you respond. Ne? How do you say to a person, whichever decision you take, I am game with it? I have already decided I want to be with you. However, in an event where you decide that you do not want to be with me, I will not date any other woman. It's chai for me. I was like, so now indirectly, you're forcing me to choose you, even though I feel Uguti, there are red flags, there are this, there are that, there are that. Because that's total manipulation. Uthami nje udlalile ngengqondo kaZitobile on that. But umenzele into enhle. I loved everything that he did. Like, guy gore o irile sure gore o ira homework or o ira assignment and why yerisisa o kra A+, because wow, I really loved every moment of how he spoiled uZitobile. uZitobile was a crying person. Sehakhala from calling to smiling. That is uZitobile for us. Please do like, share, and subscribe.